What's going on, guys? Randy here with Performance Online. Got a new 13-inch disc brake kit that we just came out with. For you guys that already have, a 12-inch disc brake kit, this one you can still use your original calipers that you've gotten from us by changing out the bracket and throwing the 13-inch rotor on there. It's real simple. We're gonna fly through this thing real quick. With that 12-inch rotor on a 20-inch wide wheel, it really doesn't do it any justice. There's so much, empty space around the sides, and without having the blackout, it really doesn't do it justice. Basically, I've already started tearing this apart a little bit. Take the rotor off. Back here on the rear axle flange, there's four bolts that I need to take out to remove this bracket, and then I'll slide our new one in. And then, like I said, this is gonna go extremely quick, so pay attention, guys. This is a lot simpler since we've already done a disc brake conversion on this. You want to make sure that when you're installing these, that recessed area is going to the inside to make clearance, where the bearing and everything comes around our rear axle. The Blackout kit's a real nice upgrade and just offers a nice clean look. At this point, I've got my bracket, everything installed, the rotor on there. I'm just gonna start throwing my caliper back on it and get that bolted into place, and that's it. All right, well, that completes our install right now. You see how easy that was and how quick it went together. Now I'm gonna throw the wheel on so you guys can get the visual. All right, now you guys can see why we did this. If you look into the face of that wheel, it takes up a lot more room and looks a hell of a lot better, and with the black rotors, you just can't go wrong. Highly recommend, if you're running large diameter wheels, go for the 13-inch disc brake kits. Looks a lot better, you'll be happier with it, and everybody else that's looking at your car will appreciate it as well.
For more, visit performanceonline.com/YouTube. Subscribe to our channel for more how-tos, featured customer rides, event coverage, and more. That's POL at performanceonline.com.